Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Roblox zombie avatar, an easy guide to create your spooky character. First, open the avatar editor from your Roblox homepage. You should then choose a standard, blocky body type. This provides an excellent foundation for a traditional zombie appearance. Next, adjust your avatar's skin color to a sickly pale green or a faded gray, giving your character that distinctive undead hue. This sets the perfect base for our terrifying creation. Now, let's focus on giving your zombie avatar some believable rotting flesh effects. Navigate to the torso and arms sections within the avatar editor's body parts. Search for specific items that depict exposed bone or visibly tattered flesh details. You might also want to apply a subtle reddish-brown tone in certain areas, simulating dried blood or decaying tissue. These details will significantly enhance your zombie's gruesome appearance. The face truly brings your zombie to life, or rather, undeath. Browse the available face decals and expressions for something truly disfigured, perhaps with a vacant stare or a permanent snarl. Pick eyes that appear hollow, deeply bloodshot, or even have an eerie glow, which emphasizes their supernatural nature. Incorporate facial accessories like deep scars, visible stitches, or even a missing jawline to complete that horrifying, decayed look. No zombie is complete without its tattered wardrobe. Select clothing items that appear torn, dirty, or ragged, reflecting the character's long journey from the grave. Search for suitable accessories like heavy chains, rusty shackles, or even a worn-out, brimless hat. You could also include a prop, such as a rusty axe or a detached limb, which adds a gruesome touch. These details elevate your zombie's overall authenticity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.